What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sang, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make hair oil for your locks. If you have any other natural hairstyle, it could be used for that too, but this is what you're going to need. As you can see, I already have everything laid out for you, but the main things you're going to need are these two right here. So you're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, some grapeseed oil. Let me move this out the way. Sweet almond oil. Some black Jamaican castor oil. This one has coconut oil in it. And some jojoba oil. Also, if you want your oil to have a nice little scent to it, you can also get some essential oils. I'm going to be using spearmint this time around. You're also going to need a bottle to put everything in and a funnel. Now, for this bottle, I got this from Dollar Tree. This came in like a 2 or 3 pack and it was only $1.25. Now, the downside of this is when I'm going to be showing you how to make this mixture, there's no measuring marks on the side of this at all. So I'm going to be eyeballing everything. Because I made this before, it's going to be easy, but I'm going to try to explain to you the measurements so you can do it on your own. If you want a better bottle, Sally's Beauty Supply does sell an actual bottle. It's way bigger than this one, and it has the measuring markers on it, so it'd be a little bit easier for you not to only measure out your own oils, but by it being bigger as well, it's going to last a lot longer than this bottle. This bottle lasted me a couple months when I made my last batch, and honestly, all the ingredients that I just bought didn't even cost that much. It cost about the same amount as when I would buy like smaller bottles of oil from other companies. So the fact that this bottle lasted a couple months, the one from Sally Beauty, I think it was $6 last time I checked, way bigger and it'll last you way longer. But let's get into making it. Like I said, we're gonna be eyeballing everything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our extra virgin olive oil, and you want this to be majority of your mixture. Now, other people like to use coconut oil, but this works better for my hair and my scalp. So we're not gonna take it to the halfway marker. We're gonna go about 1/3 up with this. So I'm gonna have to kind of eyeball. So I'm gonna be like around this area. Next, we're gonna move on to our grapeseed oil. So we're not gonna do 1/3 of this. We're gonna do like a little bit less. So maybe like around to this marker right here. Okay, you see how much we have left from here to here? We're gonna split this off into equal parts. So I have 3 oils left. So we're gonna try to do each notch is gonna be enough for each oil. So let's start with the sweet almond. You see, this is the sweet almond. Ooh, I might have did too much. Like I said, we're eyeballing it. Let the spirit guide you in everything you do. Next, we're gonna move on to the black Jamaican castor oil with the coconut oil in it. All right, now remaining amount of space, we're gonna use the jojoba oil. There it is. And because I want mine to have a scent, I'm gonna do 2 to 4 drops of spearmint. This isn't a good bottle, so you're gonna see me like shake this a little bit hard. Come on. There we go. That took a couple shakes. This isn't a really good bottle, but I got it. I got it. From there, we're gonna get a towel. If there's any remaining oil at the top, just wanna clean it up a little bit. And now we're gonna put our top back on. And from here, just give it a good shake. All right, and that's about it. You just made your very own hair oil. Like I said, those are the mixture of oils that I like to use for my hair and my scalp. But do your own research. You can really do your own mixtures, and whatever works better for you can get mixed up in a bottle and put into your hair. If you need a guide on how to do this, when I first started making my own oils, the very first brands that I started buying, I literally just looked at the ingredients they used. And there's like, some of them would be a long list. It'd be like jojoba, coconut, grapeseed, almond. It's just a long list of oils. And from there, you can like just pick and choose. It's like, oh, it's expensive to buy all of these. What would happen if I just took 6 of these oils or 5 of these oils and mixed it up on my own? You can really just like Google everything, look up the health benefits, what it does for your hair, your scalp, and just go from there. It's not that hard. But yeah, this is what I've been doing. I make a lot of my own stuff. I make lotions as well, body soap, so you'll be getting videos on that soon as well. But in the meantime, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video, because you already know who it is. It's Sang.